This lesson is about similar triangles. Two similar triangles have three pairs of corresponding angles congruent and three pairs of corresponding sides that are proportional. I want to emphasize the word corresponding here. Let's see what I mean by that. Here are our two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. When I write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, this implies, the order in which I write the letter implies that angle A corresponds to angle D, and that's why angles A and D are congruent. The second letter in the name of the triangle B corresponds to the second letter in the name of this triangle E. Therefore, angles B and E are congruent. And angle C corresponds with angle F. Therefore, angles C and F are congruent. When I write the fact that the sides are proportional, let's see which side corresponds to which one. Notice how side AB is opposite to angle C. The corresponding angle to angle C is angle F. Side opposite to angle F is DE. Therefore, sides AB and DE are corresponding. So when I write the fact that the sides are proportional, a first ratio is made by sides AB and DE. Then BC and EF, because side BC corresponds to side EF in the other triangle, as they are both opposite to corresponding angles, and sides AC and DF are corresponding as well. So here I wrote the fact that because the two triangles are similar, I have three pairs of congruent angles and three pairs of corresponding sides that are proportional. I typed here in this note the same explanation, just using different letters to make it clear that the order in which I write the letters is important. Now, in order to prove that two triangles are similar, you don't have to check all these elements. What do I mean by this? There are 6 elements, 3 pairs of angles, 3 pairs of sides. The conditions that have to be fulfilled in order to prove triangles are similar are called similarity cases. And there are 3 similarity cases. The first one we've already used when we discussed indirect measurement. If two triangles have 3 pairs of corresponding angles congruent, then the triangles are similar. I found a mistake here. Two triangles are similar if all 3 pairs of corresponding angles are not similar but congruent. Let's read again. Two triangles are similar if all 3 pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. So, these are the corresponding angles. Angle P and angle S that are congruent. Angle Q and angle T that are congruent. Angle R and angle U that are congruent. Because of the fact that the 3 pairs of corresponding angles are congruent, therefore, the two triangles are similar. Let's move on to similarity case 2. Similarity case 2 says that two triangles are similar if all three pairs of corresponding sides are proportional. So I checked ratio of corresponding sides. AB with DE, their ratio is 2. BC with EF, their ratio is 2. And again, the ratio of the other pair of sides, corresponding sides, is 2 again. If the three pairs of corresponding sides are proportional, therefore the two triangles are similar. And a third similarity case states that two triangles are similar if two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional and the angles in between them are congruent. Here are the two pairs of proportional sides, PM corresponding to RS and having a ratio of 3, PQ corresponding to ST and having a ratio of 3 again, and the angles in between those sides are both 78 degrees. So because I have two pairs of sides proportional and the pair of angles in between them congruent, the conclusion is that the two triangles are similar. These are the three similarity cases that we will use in problems to prove that triangles are similar.